Okay guys, got an original Xbox here, and as you can hear it's making a dreadful noise. It is loading the games. So I'm going to take it apart, see if we can find what's causing it. Okay guys, it's fairly obvious what's happening here. I didn't show taking the lid off because I have a video where I do it, and I'll link to it in the description. Someone has been prying at this, probably the drive has probably got stuck, which happens to these quite regularly, and rather than doing it the right way where you don't damage it, someone has pried at it. You can see when the lid is on, it's probably putting pressure here. There's a little spindle here to protect the disc. So obviously when the lid is on the Xbox, it's forcing this down. So the next step is to pop this off, see if it can be straightened. If not, I may have a spare one lying around which I'll be able to put into it. Here's the lid of the drive taken out. Again, this can all be seen in that video. You can see exactly how bent this all is. You can see where someone has been prying at it, and you can see here this mark. It'll focus. The disc has actually been rubbing here. You can actually see the slight ring here around the disc where it's been making contact with that. This spindle holds the disc in place, so if this is out of line, you can feel it. So the next thing is going to be trying to straighten this, or if not straighten it, replacing it. Okay, so here the console is after I've straightened up that piece. It doesn't have to be perfect, as you can see it's not. These can get bent for other reasons, but they won't be as bent as what I have. You see even pushing down now, the console doesn't start making that noise.